Okay, so to those who joined our live session, I'm going to teach him how to greet in Swahili. So that's the main reason I'm doing a live video. So if you want to learn Swahili with us, you're welcomed. If there's something you want to learn in Swahili, you are also welcomed. And yeah, that's it. So we're going to learn how to say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening in Swahili. For those who don't know me, my name is LEAH, and I'm having one of my students. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Xander, aka the Bro Cloud series or Resident Evil 667.
Yeah, so it's Xander. So on my last video, I did how to say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening in Swahili. So this time it's just going to be like saying good morning to him, and then it's going to respond, just like practically showing how someone should greet or say good morning to someone in Swahili. Okay, so here we go. So the first way to say one of the way to say good morning in Swahili is Habari asubuhi. So Habari asubuhi.
Mzuri.
Yeah, and then the response is Mzuri, or you can as well say Mzuri sana. And then we have Habari jioni to mean good afternoon. Habari jioni.
Mzuri. Sana.
Awesome. Yeah, so the response is still the same. Mzuri means good, Mzuri sana means so good. And then lastly, how is your night? In Swahili is Habari ya usiku.
Mzuri sana.
And it can also be habari za usiku. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for being here. If you like the video, click on that like button, and you might
Thumbs up.
you might comment on what you want to learn in Swahili. So the next video we might do that,
And subscribe.
Yeah, so this is gonna go to our YouTube channel. So if you're not, or if you're on our YouTube, please subscribe. Thank you, and see you next time.
See you next time. Bye.